Hey, Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. And you landed on this video because you are interested in my Shopify coaching, mentoring, and training. Well, great news for you. Right now, as at this moment, I am offering a $50 discount on my training course. Usually my course sells for $297, but for a limited time only, you can get access to my course, my 6-week course, which you can finish however you need to, whether it takes you 6 weeks, 2 days, 3 days, 5 weeks, whatever. It's available to you. And you also get 2 one-on-one coaching sessions with me. In these coaching sessions, I make sure that your store is set for, the grand opening. If you already have a store, I look to see that you follow the steps in my course and that your store is customer ready. That customer, when that first potential customer comes, your store has given that customer the confidence to go ahead, pull out their credit card and buy. So that's what I'm going to make sure of when we sit down on your one-on-one coaching sessions. And I'm also going to help you with your Facebook ads, because this is where most people struggle. They don't know what their ad stats are. They don't know what their ads should look like, if it's performing properly, why you're not making sales. So I'm going to share all of this information with you on your one-on-one session. You're going to learn how to read your ads. You're going to learn what your ads should look like, if it's performing properly, how to create your ad. Should you use a video ad or a picture ad? How to create a video ad, how to create your ad copy. All those things that most people struggle with, I'm going to teach you. I've showed lots of people how to create success with Shopify, myself included. I created 2 successful Shopify stores, and now I want to help you. And like I said, for a limited time only, I am offering a $50 discount on my course. So if you act now, you will get access to my $297 course for only $247. You can't beat it, my friend. You cannot beat it. So go ahead. There's a link around this video. Go ahead, get access to my course. Once you're in, this link will take you straight to PayPal. Once you're in, you're going to get an email from you with all the instructions that you need to get inside of my course. You're going to get my calendar so that you can book your 2 one-on-one sessions with me. You're going to know exactly what day and time and how to meet me on the conferencing call so that I can see you and you can see me, and that we can sit down one-on-one and get you creating some income with Shopify. So if this excites you, go ahead and click the link. Limited time only discount. Go ahead and click the link, and I'll see you in my Shopify course. This has been Danielle K. Howell, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. I'll see you in the Shopify course. Take care.